Hey YouTube, welcome to another video. In this episode, I will just do an unboxing of this new gateway that I got maybe a month or so ago, maybe a couple months ago, but never really got the chance to play around with and test it. This is the TPLINK Omada gateway, Omada multi-gigabit VPN router, model number ER-707-M2. Okay, so this is the box. Let's just go through the box before we unbox it. And I apologize for a very small or restricted showing off area. I'm already taking up a lot of space at our home, so my wife's gonna kill me if I take up more spots. More space, yeah, in our home. Anyway, so you can see this is more of typical TP-Link fashion, but they did slap on some cool sticker in here. Where's my other box? Yeah, it's very typical of TP-Link for their SMB products. So let's see here. So this one carries a lifetime warranty. So this is a limited lifetime warranty. This is good. Okay, just showing you some info here. So this is hardware version 1.6. I guess I got lucky. I always get version 1, and according to this one is, that's the dimension. You can see here, and this is made in Vietnam. So I remember some of the viewers saying they would like to send me this or the ER, I think the 3-in-1, I forgot the model, but thank you for those who are offering products. I really cannot just accept them for the time being because I feel like I will not be able to do them justice, and I think other channels will do them justice in properly reviewing them, and that's the reason why I'm just doing an unboxing here rather than a review or even a partial review. Okay, so that's just the box. Okay, let's check what's inside. Okay, still haven't opened it. So have some installation guide, pamphlet. So and some rubber feet. Power supply. There you go. I usually like those info to be shared just because sometimes power supply of a certain product goes down and I can find information on the web because the product isn't live, not support page 6 anymore because of various reasons. But so I do like to get those info out. Okay, so this is the product itself. But let's check the box if there's still anything else in here. Okay, apparently not. That's it. No network cable in there. No freebie. But this is actually quite a good packaging. It has a soft padding in here, making sure that the product is really safe and very sturdy. So I really like this box. So let's give this product more of. Okay. So, and I'm going to have it a side-by-side comparison with the existing ones I have. So let's open. So it's an ER-605. It's quite huge, right? You can see here it's quite huge. Quite huge. It's more akin to, this one is an ER-707-M2. I would say it's pretty much the same dimension. See see the height. Yep, pretty much the same dimension, same width. Yeah. So this is an ER-707, this is an ER-605, and this is an OC300, SG2210MP, and SG3248. Okay, so this is without the plastic. Okay, 2.5G in here, and then there's an SFP port. I wonder if this is a LAN port. I think this is a LAN port, but a WAN LAN, so I can reassign this either to a WAN or a LAN, which is pretty cool. Okay, there's a reset button here. Okay, so I have two 2.5 gigabit port that can scale down to 1 gig or 100 megabit. So that would be a waste if I have that speed, but you'll never know. And then we have 4 regular gigabit ports. Okay. And we have USB port in here, and then you have those 4 LED lights or system. You can see power. This is for the SFP if there's an uplink or activities. USB, and then system. So there's an air vent on the side, both sides. There's an air vent, and there's a Kensington lock, I think is what it's called. And then there's a grounding screw there, and it runs 12 volts, 1.5 amps. I'm guessing that the USB port is also a backup or modem that you can use for your internet uplink. But this one, as you can see here, first RJ45 port, which is 2.5 gigabit, is dedicated for WAN. So that follows the same formula, that the leftmost RJ45 will always be a WAN port, and the rightmost RJ45 will almost always be a LAN port. And you can see here there's the for dual WAN in here, and then you can have triple WAN in here with an SFP port. And you can have, for the WAN LAN, you can assign this for a LAN port as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have 6 LAN ports. That's a lot of LAN ports. And you can have 1 SFP port. It would have been nice if it's SFP plus, but that's okay. Very unassuming device. I like this product a lot just because of the features that it provides us. It gives you more internet speed with regards to 2.5 gigabit uplink. Still has the modem uplink for your USB modem, and you have a lot of LAN ports, a lot of flexibility. Okay, doesn't have any PoE ports. If anyone is wondering, it doesn't have any PoE ports, so it cannot power any devices off this particular box. I think you have to look for a different model or different product for that one. I think ER-707-M2 PC, if I'm not mistaken. So that's the 3-in-1 product that they have. Okay, so you know what? Let's give it a spin. Let's give it a spin. Get an uplink, and yeah, just to take a quick look at it. So that's the temporary location. So let's put one uplink here, and let me move on to my Omada desktop. So I'm currently here in the DPLAN. Ignore the DPLAN. Let's go to. Let me go to outer LAN. See. Okay, so currently this is where my PC is connected. So this one. So let me just do a quick ping. Let's do that. There you go. Okay, so this is my cable, and this is the new ER-707-M2, and this is the uplink that I'm planning to connect it to, and I'm going to find a slot here and have it uplinked, and let's have it adapted. Okay, So now I'm checking my switch here. Going to click port, and I'm looking at port 4. Let's call it LAN. Port 4. So see this one is connected there. So I'm going to connect it to port 4. There you go. Okay, so now that it has uplink, you can see here there's an activity here that's happening. And this is my PC. Let's go here, check. And you can see once I remove my cable here, okay, you will see that I will be disconnected. But as soon as I connect here, it should be the rightmost RJ45. This is the leftmost. It's almost always WAN, and this one is almost always a LAN port. So let me connect here on my PC. I should get internet as well if it works just like any other TP-LINK gateway. There you go. So like I said, all TP-LINK VPN gateway products works out of the box immediately. Okay, and let's check what IP I got. Okay. So I got the default IP 192.168.0.100, and this one is 192.168.0.1. So if you refresh something in here, nothing will happen. You can see here. So let's do 192.168.0.1. This is the first time I'm logging into this product, so I'll just type admin, and for the password I'll type password and then password. Not very secure, I know, but that should be it. So please, so let's type it here, password, and then copy here, just here, Control V, delete, Control V. So we know for a fact that it's password, this one, that's my password. And then confirm, and then click OK, and click admin, and Control V, login. Okay. So, oh, this is version 1.0. I thought it's version 1.6. So anyway, let's try to do. So this is the very first time this one is logged in. What I usually do is go here, go to controller settings, and enter 192.168.1.100. It just tells me the IP address of my controller. Okay, and then click save. There you go, and it should show up here soon. Let's refresh, and there you go. You can see this is the product. Now I cannot adapt this one yet because I already have a gateway here. So if I click adapt, it will fail, saying that there's already a gateway exists in this site. So I have here a site that do just that. Okay, I will be able to, and you can see here it's pending. Okay, so before I even adapt this, because if I try to adapt this, it will complain usually. And let's see if I can adapt. Oh, adapt failed, yeah. Okay, so before we adapt, I usually go here, go to wire networks, and select this one, M2. I guess there's only one version here, but there should be 1.6 according to the box. I don't know why, but it's so I'll select a USB modem and 2.5G LAN from my one port, and I'll get this one situated here. Do I need one LAN tree? I don't think I selected one LAN tree, so I'll select that, unselect that one. Let's try it again. Okay, and I'm just going to copy all the configurations to all the ports here, so that during testing I can plug anywhere and it should be fine. Okay, click apply, and there you go. So I have USB, I have this, my current uplink, I have this one. And let's go to devices, and I'll click retry. Okay, so now I need to type in my password and username, click adopt. And while we're doing that, since this one is already running, this is our diagnostic, I'll leave it running in here, and we're going to observe the adoption. Okay, I'm still waiting until, so let me do a quick refresh again. It does say connected. Okay, let me do one more. Remains connected. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I'm going to go ahead and upgrade the firmware. I'm not going to show the process for this one. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you don't like this video, please give it a dislike. Also, I'm trying to get 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. And if you would like to support me, please go ahead, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will always be informed whenever I have a new video up and posted. Thank you again for watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you and bye bye.